A very warm welcome to each and every one of you on this joyous and blessed occasion of St. Peter's Academy's Annual Day 2024-25. This year our theme is Gratias Signore, which translates to Thank you Lord. Today we gather here not just to celebrate the achievements of our students and the success of our institution, but also to reflect on the countless blessings that the Almighty have bestowed upon us. It's an opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude for His guidance, His love and His presence in every moment of our lives. As we stand on the threshold of another year, we look back at the path we have traveled. For St. Peter's Academy, each step has been filled with learning, growth and immense progress. From the classrooms to the sports field, from creative performances to academic triumphs, we have experienced the richness of God's grace in everything we do. Our school, built on the foundation of love, faith and dedication, has blossomed into a nurturing environment where each student is empowered to reach their highest potential. Gratias Signore is not just a theme. It's an expression of gratitude for the strength that has carried us through challenges, for the wisdom that has illuminated our minds, and for the community that continues to support and uplift us. Today's program is a reflection of this gratitude, as our talented students will showcase their creativity, dedication and faith through music, dance, drama and more. As we celebrate this day, let us join in thanksgiving to the Lord for all He has provided, for the opportunities, the successes, the friendships and the moments of joy. We also look forward with hope and trust for His continued blessings as we embark on the journey ahead. So without further ado, let us now immerse ourselves in the spirit of gratitude and celebration. I invite you all to enjoy the performances and share in joy that this day brings. Thank you and may God bless St. Peter's Academy, students, its teachers and all of us gathered here today.
Good evening. Good evening everyone. We begin this beautiful evening with a prayer song. A moment to pause, reflect and connect with God. Prayer is not just words. It's a deep bond we share with Divine. It's a moment.
Let us bow our heads and invoke God's blessing on us. Almighty and ever-living God, we thank you, we glorify you, we praise you for this educational institution, St. Peter's Academy. Lord, today we celebrate the feast of St. Peter's Chair. Remember the blessings that you have showered on this institution, especially on the principal, teachers, staff and the students.
Our darkness, only light can do that, and a ray of light is indeed a ray of hope. To begin our evening's program, we will have traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, symbolizing the enlightenment of knowledge. I would now like to invite our esteemed guest.
Shubham Kurutvam Kalyanam
कीजिए। Every celebration starts with a warm embrace, and what better way to express it than through dance? Our welcome dance will light up this evening with joy, energy, and the warmth of our hearts. This dance isn't just a performance; it's a way of saying, "Welcome to St. Peter's Academy, where love, laughter, and togetherness thrive." So sit back, relax, and immerse yourself in the beauty of this colorful performance.
For today's function, Right Reverend Dr. Wilfred Gregory Morris, Bishop of Jhansi. Bishop Wilfred Gregory Morris was born on February 13, 1969 in Nerod in the Diocese of Mangalore and studied philosophy and theology at St. Joseph's Regional Seminary in the Diocese of Allahabad. He was ordained as priest on April 27 in 1997 for the Diocese of Lucknow. He has served as a trainer at St. Paul's Minor Seminary in Lucknow from 1997 to 1999. He was also Bishop Secretary from 1999 to 2002. He was also Vice Principal of St. Anne's School in Palia from 2000.
सुबह सुबह ये उठा देते हैं, मुझको फिर नहला देते हैं, पहना के यूनिफॉर्म ये जल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट करवा देते हैं। बात सुनो आज घर से बाहर पैर नहीं पाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं। खेलने भी ना देती है, बेटे पढ़ ले बस चिल्लाती है, होमवर्क न करके जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है। मम्मी खेलने भी ना देती है, बेटे पढ़ ले बस चिल्लाती है, होमवर्क न करके जाओ तो टीचर भी डांट लगाती है। बात सुनो मेरी सारे बुक्स को हाथ नहीं लाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, आज जो भी हो जाए मम्मा स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं, हाँ स्कूल नहीं जाना मैं। सच्ची सैड बड़ी सिचुएशन, पहले स्कूल जाओ फिर ट्यूशन, संडे भी सांस ना लेने दे, हाय जान पे इतनी टेंशन। बेटे पढ़ लिख कर जाएगा, बड़ा आदमी बन जाएगा, माँ बाप का नाम तो रोशन वीर रांझे कर जाएगा।
Create a harmony that's truly mesmerizing. This performance will bring together imagination, rhythm, and story in a spectacular way. As they dance, they will transport to a place where anything is possible and the magic of creativity shines through. Let's cheer on them as they mesmerize us with their magical performance. तैयार हो जाइए एक अद्भुत यात्रा के लिए। हमारी यूकेजी नर्तक हमें एक जादुई दुनिया में ले जाएंगे, जहां धड़कन और कदम एक साथ मिलकर लय बनाते हैं। यह प्रस्तुति कल्पना, लय और कहानी का शानदार मिश्रण होगी। सेंट पीटर्स अकादमी में हम ये मानते हैं कि हर बच्चे में एक जादू होता है और यह प्रदर्शन उनकी छवियों को दिखाएगा।
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't.
Let's take a moment to thank God for His blessings, love, joy, and unity. Through this performance, our dancers will express their heartfelt gratitude and faith. We are surrounded by love, we are blessed with peace, and we are bound by unity. At St. Peter's Academy, we believe that gratitude is a key of joyful hearts. Let us join together, express our thanks, and celebrate the goodness of life with this glorious dance.
Untuk kali ini yang
Almighty God, I love you. I sing a song of praise. I dance
23-24. This is a moment to look back and assess our performance and development so far in order to build a better tomorrow. Let's take a moment to glance at the annual report and reflect on the achievements of St. Peter's Academy. Please direct your attention to the screen.
From the Hogan, from Mahoba, where dreams take flight, St. Peter stands tall, a beacon of light. With books in our hands and courage in our stride, we march toward tomorrow with knowledge as our guide. Through labs and through libraries, we seek and we strive. For every challenge faced, our spirits revive. Oh, St. Peter's Academy, our pride, our name. In unity we rise, no hurdle too steep to claim. With truth as our compass and hope as our song, together we're strong, we'll right every wrong. Light the way, for a brighter dawn, we forge ahead today. From Mahoba soil to horizons unknown, we carry the seeds of greatness we've sown. The meek find their courage, the quiet find their voice. In every hard-won triumph, we all rejoice. Like St. Peter, we stand with hearts unafraid. No barrier too mighty, no failure in the shade. Teachers ignite us, their wisdom our flame. In classrooms and courtyards, we honor our name. From a vision of learners, where compassion still flows. Oh, St. Peter's Academy, our pride, our name. In unity we rise, no hurdle too steep to claim. With truth as our compass and hope as our song, together we're strong, we'll right every wrong. Light the way, for a brighter dawn, we forge ahead today. From Mahoba soil to horizons unknown, रोशनी बनकर चलो, नए सवेरे की ओर, हम सब मिलकर बढ़ चलो. बादाम की मिट्टी से आसमान छूने को चले, बीज संकल्पों के हम भविष्य में बोते चले. कमजोर पाए ताकत, शांत पाए आवाज, हर छोटी जीत पर गूंजे हर्षों की धुन. सांस संत पीतर सांस दिल में भर कर चलते हैं. कोई रुकावट नहीं, हम डर के आगे बढ़ते हैं.
शिक्षक है मार्गदर्शक, ज्ञान की ज्योत जगाए. कक्षा और मैदान में हम सब मिलकर गुण गाए.
एक सपने से शुरू ये विरासत बढ़ती जाए, सीखने वालों का परिवार.
This annual report highlights that the incredible progress we have made, and it also shows that we have endless opportunities to achieve even greater excellence in every area. Let's keep striving for more success in the year ahead. Thank you for school management for being such great, exceptional leaders in managing the entire school so effectively. Your leadership is distinctive, and despite all of your achievements, you will remain humble and always accessible to everyone. Dear audience, let's give a huge round of applause to the principal, Reverend Father Bastion, and all the faculty members for their dedication and hard work. Thank you. Today, we are taking you on a journey to the heart of Punjab, the wonderland of Punjab. It known for its energy, its joy, and the beat of the dhol. Today, we bring you a taste of that लेकर जा रहे हैं जो ऊर्जा और खुशी से भरी हुई है। पंजाबी नृत्य सेंट पीटर्स एकेडमी की तरह जीवन से भरपूर है, जहां हर दिन खुशी और ऊर्जा से भरा होता है। ढोलकी ने और शक्तिशाली कदमों के साथ पंजाब की धरती पर कदम थिरकाने और ताली बजाने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए।
Slow it down.
तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। एक तेरे संग यारा अख लड़ने लगी, अख लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ तेरे दिल के इशारे ये तो पढ़ने लगी, लड़ लड़ के आगे बढ़ने लगी। ओ मुंडा जिद पे अड़ा, ओ तेरे पीछे पड़ा। ओ मुंडा
बॉलीवुड की ऊर्जा के साथ शुरू होगा। यह प्रदर्शन विविधता में एकता का उत्सव है, तो हमारे प्रतिभाशाली कलाकारों के लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाइए, जिन्होंने इस अद्भुत फ्यूजन को जीवित किया। Get ready for a thrilling global journey. This next performance is a celebration of unity in diversity. Our talented dancers will take us on a thrilling global journey that brings together the fiery rhythms of Spain, the modern beats of BTS, the graceful elegance of Chinese dance, the magical melodies of Coldplay, and the vibrant energy of Bollywood. A blend of cultures, a fusion of talents, and an embodiment of our shared values. Let's give our performers a big round of applause for bringing this amazing fusion to life.
间有限量。
शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो रोशन में दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All hot girls put your hands up
हमारे जीवन का एक अहम हिस्सा बन चुका है। लेकिन क्या आपने कभी सोचा है इसका मानसिक स्वास्थ्य पर क्या असर हो रहा है? हमारे माइम कलाकार आपको सोशल मीडिया के बुरे प्रभावों को दिखाएंगे। आइए हम एक पल के लिए अपनी स्क्रीन से दूर होकर खुद से फिर से जुड़े।
This performance carried with the spirit of sportsmanship. It's a reminder that the power of unity and perseverance can make anything possible. So let's cheer for the passion and dedication of our performers as they bring the energy of sport to the stage. Here come our little champs with an awesome sport themed dance.
तैयार हो जाइए एक रोमांचक, तैयार हो जाइए एक ऊर्जा से भरपूर स्पोर्ट्स थीम डांस के लिए। एथलेटिक्स, फुटबॉल, हॉकी, क्रिकेट और अन्य खेलों की दुनिया से यह प्रस्तुति खेल, भावना, टीमवर्क और संकल्प का उत्सव है। सेंट पीटर्स अकादमी में हम यह मानते हैं कि खेल सिर्फ शारीरिक गतिविधि नहीं है, यह एक जीवन दर्शन है। हमारे कलाकारों के साथ तालियों से उनका उत्साह बढ़ाइए जो खेलों की लेकर आएंगे।
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, oh, oh, and if you fold it up, eh, eh, cause this is Africa. Samina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh, Samina,
Education empowers us. It opens doors to limitless possibilities. At St. Peter's Academy, we don't just teach, we inspire. We don't just build minds, we build futures. Education is the bridge that connects dreams with reality. Today we celebrate the power of education to break barriers, to create new paths, and to build a brighter, more hopeful future for everyone. Let's cherish the gift of education and its transformative power. शिक्षा व्यक्तिगत विकास और प्रगति की कुंजी है। ये अवसरों के द्वार खोलती है और हमें आलोचनात्मक सोच में मदद करती है और हमें बेहतर करने के लिए सशक्त बनाती है। सेंट पीटर्स अकेडमी में हम सिर्फ पढ़ाते ही नहीं बल्कि प्रेरित भी करते हैं। हम सिर्फ ज्ञान ही बल्कि भविष्य भी बनाते हैं। शिक्षा वह पुल है जो सपनों को वास्तविकता से जोड़ता है। आज हम शिक्षा की शक्ति का जश्न मना रहे हैं जो बाधाओं को तोड़कर सबके लिए एक उज्जवल भविष्य बनाती है।
अरे आज तो मेम साहब ने इतना काम करवाया कि पूरी बॉडी का बैंड बजा दिया। अरे मेरी तो काम करके इतनी हालत खराब हो गई कि पूछ ही मत।
लगता है हमारे नसीब में सिर्फ काम करना ही लिखा है।
पता नहीं हमारा सपना कब पूरा होगा।
तुम्हें जिंदगी में क्या बनना है?
मैं तो डॉक्टर बनूंगी।
मुझे तो इंजीनियर बनना है।
मैं लॉयर बनूंगी।
मुझे तो प्रोफेसर बनना है।
मुझे तो एयर होस्टेस बनना है।
जिंदगी में कुछ भी हासिल करना इतना आसान नहीं है। उसके लिए बहुत कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है।
चलो आज से हम काम नहीं करेंगे, सिर्फ पढ़ाई करेंगे और अपना सपना पूरा करेंगे।
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले की उम्मीदें हंसे होगी अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Most Reverend Dr. Peter Parapallil, today's honorable guests, Reverend Father Bastin, our esteemed principal, Reverend Father Santosh, the manager, Reverend Fathers, sisters, members of the staff, students, my dear parents, Deviyo Sajjano. A very good evening to all of you. It is truly a privilege and honor to be here at St. Peter's Academy to witness this annual program 2024-2025. This annual program is beautifully titled Grazie Signore. That means the students of Peters Academy, they not only learn English, they also learn Italian. And all this school was established in 2018. And during this almost 7 years, it has made tremendous progress. And the students beautifully sang. They said, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with an outstretched arm, we thank you, Lord. And that Grazie Signore is depicted. Even when the tiny tots came here, they were looking at the parents, waving their hands and saying, Grazie Signore, because our parents have come to witness our program. ये बहुत ही सुंदर जो शीर्षक है, जैसे किसी ने कहा है, हर मोड़ पर मिलेगी रोशनी, अगर दिल में है वो शुक्रिया की बात सुनी। जो शुक्र करे उस खुदा का हर दफा, उसके जीवन में कभी ना आएगी अंधियारी रात सुनी। ये every turn will bring light if gratitude is deep. Those who thank God always will never see a lonely dark night. Beautiful themes are depicted here. First of all, we saw the vibrant dance of or the spirited Punjabi dance. We also saw the dynamic contemporary dance. We also were given a beautiful message about the social media. आज इंसान ऑनलाइन हो गया है, लेकिन उसकी इंसानियत ऑफलाइन हो गई है। उस इंसानियत को ऑनलाइन में लाने की जरूरत है। It is beautifully depicted here that people have time to say hi, hello to the persons those who are sitting 1,000 miles away, but they do not have time to say hi, hello to their parents and to their relatives, those who are at home. People have forgotten the human values. The dead body was taken and people are taking selfie. And also, when the accident takes place, people take their photographs on the mobile and forward it in WhatsApp and other social media. And therefore, the children have beautifully depicted that we need to bring our insaniyat, humanity online. And we congratulate all the students, those who have performed very well on the stage. Those tiny tots came here. They have done anchoring very beautifully and with confidence. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये जो छात्र यहाँ पर छात्राएं यहाँ पर आए हैं, उनके ये दिल में कोई डर नहीं था। मुझे उनको देख के ऐसा लगा कि यहाँ ये जो स्कूल में ऐसे छात्र छात्राएं हैं जहाँ जो हुनर से भरे हुए हैं। Therefore, we need to congratulate them for the wonderful display they have, the wonderful performance. May I request all of you to give a big hand to the students for the wonderful performance they have done.
देखने और उन्हें पूरा करने की स्वतंत्रता पा सके। We are gathered here today to celebrate women empowerment at St. Peter's Academy. We believe in the power of women, of every woman, no matter her background or circumstance. Women are the builders, the dreamers, and the leaders. Today, let us all stand together in support of women's rights, freedom, and strength. Let us promise to create a world where every woman is free to dream big, lead with courage and reach for the stars.
माँ, मुझे कॉलेज के लिए लेट हो रहा है। मेरा टिफिन कहाँ है? हाँ, ला रही हूँ। ये लो। Thank you, माँ। Bye. Bye, बेटा।
Unity is a foundation of success. At St. Peter's Academy, we know that together we are stronger. This next performance celebrates the power of unity. When we came together, we can achieve great things. It is not just about individual strength, but the strength we find in each other. Let's celebrate the power of unity with joy and enthusiasm. As our dancers remind us that together we can overcome anything and build a better world. So let's all watch this enthusiastic performance with whole heart.
प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज चंद्र की घड़ी के तुम गुहार दो। है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज चंद्र की घड़ी के तुम गुहार दो। मान मान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। मान वान शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड।
let us watch this beautiful portrayal of how, with faith and resilience, we can overcome obstacles and create a future of hope and joy. Let's have a look at this beautiful drama. आप अपने जीवन के निर्माता हैं। इस नाटक में हम आशा और निराशा के बीच के सफर को देखेंगे। हमारे संकल्प और क्रियाएं हमारे भाग्य को आकार देती हैं। सेंट पीटर्स अकादमी में हम यह मानते हैं कि आशा और संकल्प से कोई भी मुश्किल आसान हो सकती है।
This story revolves around a life of Anne. Come, let me introduce you to her. This is Anne. She is always worried and scared. The present frightened her. The future frightened her. She is so frightened for her high faith. All, as we say, destiny as a bodyguard, because she believes everything lies in the hand of destiny. Why do we strive? So here she is in a counseling session, and at she again lets destiny take over and speak on her behalf.
So, Miss Destiny, we finally meet. How are you feeling today?
Well, I don't really know how I'm feeling. It's just that I am often misunderstood, and that kind of affects me mentally.
Tell me more.
I'm a content writer, and the company I work with has a strict privacy policy. My annoying twin went around falsely claiming he has read my book and misquoted me. And finally, after we got toys, I lost my job and I'm hired as a bodyguard by Anne.
Bodyguard?
Yes, I told her I am a writer for God's sake. But she just doesn't listen. She says no one can do the job better than you. I don't get her, but she pays on time and lets me write as well.
So, are you enjoying your job?
Well, I like people, but they ask too many questions. And I, on the other hand, don't like talking much. I mean, that's just my personality.
Are you any introvert?
Zen, you call it Zen. I mean, I am overloaded with the work. Too many journalists to pay and too many stores to start. You need peace of mind to unleash your creativity, right?
Right. So, anyway, you were talking about your twin. Let's talk about him and address.
No! Do not talk about him. Because when you talk of the devil
appears.
Who is he?
There's despair, the demon. He is my twin, unfortunately.
I see traces of sibling rivalry here.
No, not from my side. I don't know what issue she has with me.
You don't know? You have been stealing my friends all my life.
Yeah. Don't you understand this? I have a flamboyant personality. I am an extrovert and people get influenced by me easily. But you, on the other hand, are an introvert.
Zen. You call it Zen.
Yeah. And wakey.
Oh my God.
Make it on.
It's him again.
Yes, it's me. And I was wondering if you want to hang out together. I mean, you never fight with me. You listen to me. And you are doing great.
Haha, not this time. I have a bodyguard. Come on, Destiny, let me get rid of him and make sure I never ever see him again. Come on, Destiny. Wait, I'm standing on the battlefield and you are writing? I told you, Anne, I'm just a writer. This is your battle and you have to fight him. Are you serious? I can't fight this pair of anxiety and sorrows. We are professionals.
An important message. Say no to plastic. Plastic pollution is one of the greatest threats in our environment. At St. Peter's Academy, we believe in taking steps to protect and creative dance, our performers will raise awareness about the need to reduce plastic waste and protect the earth for future generations. Let's join together not only in celebrating this performance but in making a commitment to say no to plastic and care for the world around us.
हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति में एक महत्वपूर्ण संदेश है। प्लास्टिक कहीना। प्लास्टिक प्रदूषण एक बड़ी समस्या है और अब समय है कि हम बदलाव लाएं। सेंट पीटर्स अकादमी में हम इस विश्वास के साथ जीते हैं कि छोटे कदम भी बड़े बदलाव ला सकते हैं। आइए इस रचनात्मक और जोशपूर्ण नृत्य के साथ हम पर्यावरण के प्रति जागरूकता फैलाएं और खुद से वादा करें कि हम प्लास्टिक का विरोध करेंगे।
Let's get this party started!
It's plastic again. I've been seeing too many nowadays. Tens of thousands of animals, like cows, birds, whales, turtles, die every year due to plastic. Plastic in the gut just stays there. Stops food digestion, often leading to slow, painful death. Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose. So even after killing an animal, it goes on to kill many more. It was too late for these animals, and if we don't act, it will be too late for everyone. Out of 300 million tons of plastic produced annually, only 10% gets recycled. That means we have a lot to do. Let's get started.
छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी।
Can I get you something to drink? Yes, we will have a lemonade, but no straws, please.
ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी।
I would like to buy a pack of water bottles, please. Sure, ma'am. But Mom, I can refill my reusable bottle. Oh, it's okay. This is cheap and easy. We can just use and throw. Mom, I love you, but I have another mother. My Mother Nature. I love her too. I don't think she will like it if we keep abusing her resources.
Be the change you want to see.
मिसयूज न करेंगे से ये वादा कर लिया। हाँ मुझे एतबार है सबके मिल जाने का। समंदर से हाँ मुझे प्यार है इस दुनिया से हाँ मुझे प्यार है।
धरती है धरती है धरती 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 मेरी माँ है, मुझको प्यार है मेरी माँ से। मिट्टी पानी दरिया पंछी और बहती हवा से। धरती मेरी माँ है मेरी जान इस पे कुर्बान है। माँ की सेवा करना मैंने माँ से ही सीखा। इस माँ की ममता देखो हर दर्द अकेले सहती है। हमको सांसें देने के लिए दिन रात ये मेहनत करती है। नदियों में बहती है सागर में ढलती है, हमको छांव देती है सूरज में तपती है। ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बस माँ ही करती है, ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बस माँ ही करती है। धरती सबकी माँ है चलो प्यार करें इस माँ से। मिट्टी पानी दरिया पंछी और बहती हवा से।
Yes, we love our Mother Nature and will protect her in every way. We make plastic. We buy plastic. We use plastic. And we have to stop. If you cannot reuse it, refuse it. Today, we are taking an oath not to pollute this earth. Are you with us?
To the tribute to India's greatness. आज रात हम भारत की समृद्ध संस्कृति और धरोहर का जश्न मना रहे हैं। यह नृत्य हमारी देशभक्ति की भावना को जागृत करेगा और हमें हमारे देश की एकता, ताकत और साहस की याद दिलाएगा। हम अपने इतिहास, वीरों और साझा संघर्ष का सम्मान करते हैं, तो भारत के प्रति अपना प्यार और श्रद्धा दिखाने के लिए इस अद्भुत प्रदर्शन का स्वागत करें।
मैं हिंदुस्तान की बेटी, एक मेरी रक्षा के लिए सरहद पर जान लुटाता है, एक मेरे देशवासियों के लिए दिन रात फसल उगाता है, एक किसान और एक जवान, एक कर्म का कर्ज तो दूसरा अपने धर्म का कर्ज निभाता है। मेरी लाज रखने वाले इन दोनों बेटों को इस धरती माँ और मेरा यानी कि इस मिट्टी का सलाम।
तू मेरा कर्मा तू
सच ये है मुझे मिलकर फिर ये मेरी गोद भर देते हैं।
मुझे इस मिट्टी की मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, ये देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा। सौगंध मुझे इस मिट्टी की मैं देश नहीं मिटने दूंगा, मैं देश नहीं मेरा नंबर मुझसे पूछ रहा करूँ अपना धर्म निभाओगे। मैंने वचन दिया भारत माँ को, वचन दिया भारत माँ को, तेरा शीश नहीं झुकने दूंगा।
एक फौजी रुतबे से बड़ा कोई और रुतबा नहीं, वर्दी की शान से बड़ी कोई और शान नहीं, और अपने देश से बड़ा कोई धाम नहीं।
हम किसान हैं, अनाज और अन्न की कीमत हमसे ज्यादा कोई नहीं जानता। तेरी बात हमेशा याद रखना, तन मन धन से बढ़कर जन गण मन।
We would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Reverend Dr. Wilfred Morris, as the Bishop of Jhansi, for gracing us with your presence. Your inspiring words and your support mean so much to us, and we are truly honored to have you here. A special thanks goes mean a lot to us. A heartfelt thanks goes to our manager, Reverend Father Santosh, who's behind the scenes made this evening perfect. For ensuring that everything ran smoothly, your dedication is truly appreciated. We would also like to express our sincere gratitude to all the parents for their constant support and cooperation. Your trust in us and your presence here today make this event all the more special. Thank you for always being a pillar of strength. A big thank you to appreciation also extends to the help made this evening perfect. From setting up to assisting wherever needed, your contributions are invaluable and we thank you. We cannot forget to thank the Sound and Light team for their expertise in ensuring that every performance shone brightly. Your hard work ensures that our event ran without a hitch, and we are grateful for your contributions on this memorable evening. We also extend our thanks to the media for covering this event and sharing with the wider community. May God continue to bless us all. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Bollywood, with its colorful costumes, rhythmic beats, and a vibrant energy, represents the heart of India culture. Our performers will take you on a mesmerizing journey through the world of Bollywood, blending cultures and traditional rhythms with creativity and flair. As you enjoy this performance, remember the essence of Bollywood: joy, life, and celebration. As our dancers bring the magic of the Bollywood on the live here at St. Peter's Academy, Mavna.
तो शुरू करें।
हाय हील ने नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे, हाय हील ने नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे। Yeah, the meat bros, just tell me, I knew you had a singer. एक ढोल के पिसा सा ताड़ियाँ, हिले जब लग तेरा हिलती है बाड़ियाँ। एक ढूम के पिसा सा ताड़ियाँ, हिले जब लग मेरा हिलती है बाड़ियाँ। एक ढूम के पिसा सा ताड़ियाँ, हिले जब लग तेरा हिलती है बाड़ियाँ। 24 घंटे मुंडे रहंदे मेरे आगे पीछे, जब हाय हिलते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे, हाय हिलते नचे ता तू बड़ी जच्चे। जब हाय हिलते नचे, तू बड़ी जच्चे।
मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा था।
अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है। अरे आँख जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है। मुझे जानती है तब से ये मरती है तब से, मैं भी इससे चोरी छुप चाहता हूँ तब से। दिल में ये मेरे बस गई खामोश।
Sound, 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 मेरे सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना रे, दे दूंगी जान जुदा मत होना रे। मैंने तुझे महीने में जाना, हुआ तो सूरत ना मत होना रे। ओ मेरे सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना।
अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आँख मेरी लड़ी है, अरे आँख जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है। अरे रास्ता रास्ता
आजा बे बलिए रज के चूरज बलिए गलियां च चल नचिए हीरा दिया गलियां च चल नचिए आज जिंद लगने on the dance floor नच बनिए